discover a brand new world of colour and adventure this Halloween. Journey through magical places and meet some exciting new friends. But be ready, you may encounter some less than friendly spirits along the way. Get ready to journey to the beyond this Scarefest.
This is the Phalanx Compound Center. The Phalanx have brought you here as they suspect you to be a member of the anarchist group known as Seek the Truth. Compound is also the home to the Nemesis Younglings.
Let me go!
Whilst under our jurisdiction, we are entitled to use your body as a vessel while we carry out our research.